Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to build email list for free. So we are going to use Facebook groups to build our email list. First of all, you have to create email marketing landing page to build your email list. So I already create an email marketing landing page with ConvertKit. Also I have step-by-step video about create this landing page for free. So I will put that video link on description. First go to that video and build your landing page for free. After you build your landing page, you can start to build your email list. So as I told before, we are going to use Facebook groups to build our email list. So let's go to Facebook and go to groups tab. In Facebook groups tab, you can search groups related to your niche. In my case, my niche is law of attraction. Basically, I built this landing page to give a ebook related to law of attraction and collect emails. So in your case, you may try to build email list related to health and fitness, relationship, education, or any type of niche. So we have to collect emails related to our niche. If we want to make sales via our email list, we have to build niche targeted email list and promote niche targeted product to those subscribers. So in my case, I am going to use law of attraction related Facebook groups to collect emails. In your case, you have to join with Facebook groups related to your niche. So in Facebook, I search on here law of attraction. Now I got lot of results related to law of attraction. So I already joined with bunch of law of attraction groups. So after you search your keyword, you have to check the quality of the group. Basically, let's go to a group. So let's go to this group. I will open the group in new tab and let's open another group. If that group is a public group, you can see the content inside that group. So now I am at a public group. So basically check the engagement of this group post. So this group has 148 reaction and 148 comments. So if I scroll down, there has 400 plus likes and 94 comments. So we have to join this type of groups because this group has highly engaging community. So if we share viral content, we will get the same result as other people get in this group. So let's go to second group. This is another public group, so you can do your research. Basically you can check the members count and check the engagement of the group. So do your research and join with highly engaging group. Basically this group is a highly engaging group, so I just click on join the group and now I can create post. So in some groups you have to wait until get approval to join the group. So in this case I didn't need to get approval, so let's join with this group. Just click on join and let's click on join in this group. So in this case I have to get approval to share post in this group. So basically admins and moderators of this group will check your member request and approve it. After you get approval, you can see a group you already joined in this area. So now it's time to share content on those groups. To do that, go to Google and search post. Basically in my case I will search law of attraction, type yes post. So then I go to image tab. So now I can get post related to law of attraction and there has type yes message. So this is the easy way to find high quality post. Basically search your niche on Google and get post. So I will download this post to my computer, download few other posts to your computer and go to the group tab. Now open the groups related to your niche. In my case law of attraction. So I will open the group like this. Now share this post in this group. So click on create public post and upload this post, add some emojis, then click on post. In some groups your post will instantly publish when you click on this post button, but in some groups you have to wait until you get approval to publish your post. Basically moderators and admins of this group will review my post and approve it. So when you create post, never add your email marketing landing page URL or any other URL. Just drag the photo and add some emojis, then click on post. So sometimes you have to answer those questions on the group, and you can basically perform this method and upload your post few times. So I will do this with all of those groups. So when you do this method, don't try to add lot of posts at once. Basically do it like 10 posts per hour, and when you join with the group, don't try to join with lot of groups at once. Basically take time to share content and join with the groups. When you share your content, you will get notification after your post published. So then you can click on that notification and go to your post. Also, if someone add comment or like, you also get notification. So you can find your published article by checking the notification. So after you get that notification, you can go to your post and click on this three dots. Then you can click on edit post. Now you can add description here. That means you can add your landing page URL. Basically I will add little description and add the landing page URL. So I will copy this description and paste it on here and add like download. Then I will add this part, then add some emojis to make it more visible. Then I will add the URL. Before that, click here to download. I will add this type of message. Then in here I will add the URL. So I will copy this URL. Check that landing page build video to find out how to build this landing page and how to get this URL. After you get that URL, open new tab and go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly is a URL shortener platform, so you can add your URL and click on this shorten button, and you can get short version of that URL. If I go to this shortened version of the URL, I can redirect to this landing page. Basically add your shortened URL here and click on save. Now your post have link to download that product or link to our email marketing landing page. Basically if someone click on this URL, that person will redirect to the email marketing landing page, and he can add the email here and click on this download button. And so this is the simple strategy to collect these targeted emails and build your email list for free. And if you like this video, make sure to like it, and if you have any kind of issues, just let me know on the comment section. And if you need this type of videos, make sure to subscribe. I will see you in next